Oh. All 7. Hello. Why are you so noisy? I gave them a miniature chicken coop to be in because all this is it's not comfy for the feet. So they get a miniature chicken coop and a lamp that's currently off by now. Here's the process of all of them. Really, guys, you can't stand in your food. I appreciate that some of them like the box. Anyway, bye. Becky, why are you sleeping all alone? Just want a house too that also is alone, but still need others. Funny thing is that all the chickies are in their little box, except for Becky. How I know that one's Becky? Well, she has lighter gray feathers on the wings and not much of a tail like Edgar. All of them are in the box, except for that one. I guess it's a little too crowded, but they can literally make some room a bit. But I guess she just doesn't want to get trampled on and rather have some peace and quiet. At least that's my guess. Becky. Guys, I'm just disturbing them. And a few are going out to eat. Stop messing with the umbrella. Florence, really? They're not really bullies to each other, but they still trample on each other. Florence. And they like pecking on the loose tape. Anyway, bye. The most chilliest chicken ever. Look at that adorable face. This is Becky. And she is staying in the palm of my hand. This chicken is a little lazy. She would lay in the chicken coop or with our chicks and just stay there. Coming up to eat and drink, but then just going back to relax again. Here they are again. It's been a while since I update. Walnut is a jumper, so we have this netting to keep them inside because Walnut over there jumped successfully out of the bin. And now we have to put this over. What's next? You chops? Do you feel the breeze? Okay, these two jumped out of the box. And now they're on me. These two are the biggest ones. And they're quite a jumper. Okay, Walnut. Show them what you do. Come on. They like the lap. Don't poop on me, please. Oh. Ow. Okay. Hello. Hello, Walnut. Pretty sure that one's a girl, but they may pass their first week almost, and now they're growing some feathers. Walnut, can I see your neck feathers? Oh, okay. You wanna go? Oh, there they go. I'm sorry. Oh, that was fast. Well, no, I better not see you poop back there. We usually put the food bag on the fence, but because these two are jumping out of the box. First it was Walnut, then it was Chops. Oh, packing back there. We usually put it to hold this down. At least Midnight's not here. Mostly in my mom's room sleeping away, and these two are quite active. Are two most active ones. Anyway, it's probably time to get them back in the box. Cause Walnut hasn't really pooped yet, and I don't want to take any chances. Oh no. Not the wire, please. Have it. There they go. Stop seeing pecking order out there. Walnut has some neck feathers and some full wing feathers and a full-on tail. I'm pretty sure these guys are different ages. But I gotta get them back in the box. Starting with you. You go back in there. Come on. Come on, Chops. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. Here are them a bit older. Walnut has some neck feathers. Edgar is laying. Hey! And I guess they want to get out for a bit. Midnight won't even bother with going near our chickens. He's too afraid. Yeah, they want to go out. Oh, hold on. Now I'm going to supervise them. Walnut always kind of squares up to us. Oh, hi, Becky. Come on, you can do it, Edgar. Get out the box. Get out the pen. Oh, hi. Hi, Walnut. Oh my gosh, Firever. He's just observing over there. He won't come near. I know him. Hi, Captain Cluck. Getting stronger. Come on, Edgar. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Okay. Let me help you out. Here you go. Oh, hi. Hi, Wisp. Hi, Chops. Hi, Becky. You're getting all chicken footprints all over my pants. Hi. Gonna poop on me. All jumping on puppy. Got 5 puppy. We got 5. Got Becky, Chops, Wisp, Captain Cluck, and Walnut. Hi. Hi. I got 5 chickens on me.
Know,
Now 4.
I'm trying not to move too fast so they won't scare off.
Got 5.
Look at Walnut. He's totally like crouching, just chilling.
Yeah. This is just bonding time. I'm also filming a video.
I'm surprised you're not pooped on yet. Oh, look at Chops. Just
All over me. I did have to help Edgar out of the place, but now I got 3. Oh, there goes Walnut. Does he like phones? Is it because I have a shiny phone they're a little like curious? Hi, Captain Cluck. Oh, hi, Wiz. Did I just get pooped on?
I don't see nothing yet.
Look in the back of me, please.
I'm not getting up right now.
The joy of having chickens. Hi, Florence. There's Edgar by your feet.
Mm-hmm.
They're all chasing bugs. You can get off if you like. Now we got 3. Oh, it's okay. They just got on me by choice. But I don't feel like I got poop back there, so that's good.
You would have felt it by now.
I would have felt wetness. Anyway, I guess that's the end of it. I'm just going to enjoy my time here. Hey guys, I'm back with them being a little bit older. They are actually ready to get out. Walnut here looks like an adult chicken with a baby's head because she's growing a lot of feathers on the body. And all of them are ready to get out. Okay, let's... They're very excited. Okay, ready to watch the chaos. Freedom! It's freedom! Get out there! Oh my... They're fine. Hey, stop it. No need to fight. Oh, oh my gosh. This is... It gets a little chaotic at first, and then they start to get chill, like Chops here. Now I'm going to have all 7 on my lap again. Going to be hanging out them for literal hours. Now I got 4 on my lap. Wait, I almost got 3. 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 5. Oh, I got 4. Come up here. Come up. Captain Cluck, come up here. Come up. You can do it. They're all on me. And they're pecking my phone. You can do it. Get up here. Ah. There's one on my head. What was once just owning 7 baby chicks and waiting for them to grow up, fate had other plans. This is Cleopatra, and her baby is Hope, I guess. Her story is a bit sad, but now she's living here with us in our small flock. And she's settling in quite well, but she doesn't like the neighbors. Basically, she lost all her baby chickens except for one, the sole survivor, which is right next to her. She, however, is doing good, considering the circumstances. And I guess being having a big large flock where she used to live, so she'll do well with a flock of small chickens. Only these two will have to stay together, even if the baby is a rooster. So we'll probably have to make some hard choices. At least there is a place where we can return roosters or take roosters to if our chickens end up being a rooster. They'll go to a farm. They'll take them in. Man, you guys are gonna make me sneeze. So now we have a full-grown chicken and her baby. It's crazy how big ours are going to get. So they're here like 4 weeks or 3 maybe. Which isn't a lot. They're growing fast. Hey Cleopatra. She did kind of peck out one of her younger chicks while they were roaming, so they're all back in their pen. But she'll have to get used to them and accept them as her flock. But right now she's pretty content here. We bribed her out of the box with food, and that got her going, so now she's less stressed. Anyway, this will be the end of the week of chicken shenanigans. Although it's been a few weeks for us, this kind is like a grow process. And now we have an adult. I do not know how old she is.